Java program example. First launch Eclipse IDE, launch Eclipse IDE, Eclipse, run, close Eclipse main folder, okay. See, create Java project, it is one-time activity. Suppose Selenium tests, finish. Next, create Java package under Java project. You can create multiple Java packages under a Java project. See, package, suppose Java examples. Next, create a Java class under Java package. Suppose class name sample program. Here you can generate main method. Check this option, finish. See, concentrate. Yesterday we discussed Java program example. See, quickly I explained. Today I will explain in detailed manner. And you no need to worry about Java fundamentals, operators, variables, conditional statements, loop statements, methods, etc. We will discuss each and every concept in detailed manner. Here I am just introducing one sample program. See, it is a Java program example to understand the Java syntax and program structure. Okay. Next, create one variable, integer type variable. Observe Ritesh, integer type variable. Int is data type. A is variable name. Equal A just semicolon. This is syntax. We already discussed in Java. Every statement or step should end with semicolon. In VB script, no such type of formalities, but in Java or C language or Perl script, every statement should end with semicolon. That is syntax rule. Yesterday we discussed. Just a small comment. Declaring this is variable declaration. Variable declaration. Next, a equal to 10. What is the functionality of this last statement, Mamata? A equal to 10.
Sir, assigning value.
Assigning value, that concept is called initialization. Okay?
Okay.
Initialization. Initialization. Say in computer programming, assigning value two types. One is initialization, another is reading. Initialization means entering the value directly in the program. Reading we have several flavors. Reading from another variable, reading from input devices, reading using input devices, reading from files, etc. Anyhow, that we will discuss later. This is initialization. See, assigning values to variables, two types. One is initialization, another is reading. Okay. Next, Next statement. Venkat, can you hear me properly? Venkat not available. Supriya, can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, int b equal to 20. Observe Saloni. What is the statement? Purpose of the statement or functionality of the statement?
Initialization.
See, declaration and initialization. Okay, na?
Okay.
See, earlier we wrote two statements. One is for variable declaration, another for initialization. But in this ninth line, in single statement, variable declaration and initialization. See, variable declaration and initialization. Okay. Next, observe Virat.
Sir, I have a question.
Ah,
So this integer will take the decimal as
no,
well, or
see, for decimals, we have another data types, float, double, etc. Double, float and double. If it is small decimal value, we use float. If it is long decimal value, we use double, another data type. Integer only numbers, no decimal values.
okay, sir.
Okay, na? Suppose if you want to define that one, say double C equal to 1.234.
Okay.
Suppose if you try to add this one, A equal to 10.2. It is showing error, na?
Yes, sir.
How to assign decimal values, floating point values? You have to take double or float data types. If it is small value, float data type, long value, double data type, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Say int d comma e comma f. Observe Saloni. What is the functionality of the statement?
Variable declaration.
Variable declaration. What is the difference between 7th line and 11th line? 7th line and 11th line.
7th line. Oh, in 7th line, like we declared value A, and in 11th.
7th line,
11th
11th line.
line. We have several variables.
Good.
One variable.
Layman. In 7th line, we declared single variable. In 11th line, we declared multiple variables. Isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Good, Suleiman. Say multiple variables. Say declaration. Declaration of multiple variables. Multiple variables. Concentrate, Saloni. See, we can declare multiple variables by separating with commas. Next, one more statement. Suppose int EFG comma H comma for example K. G equal to 20, okay, some 30, H equal to some 40, K equal to 50. Observe this line, Saloni. Declaration of multiple variables and initialization.
Yes, sir.
Did you find the difference between 11th and 12th lines?
Yes, sir.
Good. Initialization. Next, suppose one mathematical operation. Int k. K already there, na? Okay. K L. Int L equal to A plus B. This is mathematical operation, addition operation. I want to display this addition operation. See, SYSO control space enter. This is short form for
Okay.
system.out.println. This is output statement, just L. It will display A plus B. What is A plus B? 10 plus 20, 30. It will display 30. Just run the code. See, whenever you want to create lengthy program or complex program, you try to execute several times. After writing some lines of code, execute. Then add some statements, execute. Then add some statements, execute. Like that, if you execute the program, you won't get errors multiplication. If you prepare entire program at once, then execute, you will get more errors. See, this is the programming standard. Getting this point, Mamata? How to create lengthy program or complex program?
Sir, I missed your point.
Madhavi, can you tell me a point? How to create a lengthy program or complex program?
Yes, sir. Once you write couple of lines, you have to execute it. Then we will see like if there are any errors.
Then add some statements, execute.
Yes.
Add some more statements, execute. Like that, you create lengthy or complex program. You don't write all lines of code at a time and execute. They lead multiple. Error multiplication. Getting this point, Ritesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now run the program. Our expected output is 30. It is showing 30. Okay. No errors up to this 15 lines of code. Next, suppose I want message. Put mute. Somebody system making noise. Who is that system? Okay. Message. Observe Dilpreet. Add message. I want addition of A comma B is 30. I want message and variable value.
Sir, we'll be giving it in inverted commas.
Say message is string type data. Use double quotes. Say
Yes, sir. Double quotes.
double quotes. Addition of, you can write any meaningful message. A comma B is, next concatenate. Concatenate. See, in Java, concatenation operator is plus sign. Mamata, what is the concatenation operator in VB script? Ampersand sign na?
Yes, sir.
Here plus operator only.
Plus.
Say in 14th line, plus operator we used as addition operator. In 15th line, concatenation operator. Okay. Now try to run the program. See, it is showing addition of A comma B is 30. Okay. Next, we can change the values of variables. Suppose G value, K value 50. Display the value, K value 50. It will show 50. Next, change the value or assign another value. Suppose K equal to 1, 2, 3, semicolon. Next, display the K value. Just a minute. This time it will show 1, 2, 3. Run the program. See 50, 123. Next, declare constant. Constant. How to declare constant, Dilpreet?
The final int is
Yes,
integer.
use final modifier. Final int.
Integer.
Suppose some ABC. ABC is single value equal to some 100 semicolon.
Semicolon.
This is declaration of constant. Declaration of constant. Constant declaration. See, while declaration only we assign value, otherwise it will show error. And one more thing, we cannot change the constant value, fixed value for entire script, fixed value. If you try to change the value, it will show error. See here, output is 100. Try to change the value, ABC equal to some 1, 2, 3. See, it is showing error. See, marking, remove final modifier. We cannot change constant value, fixed value. Next, condition block. If, for example, A greater than, what is this greater than? This is operator, comparison operator. If A greater than B, curly braces, suppose do something. A is a big number. A is a big number. See, this is one-way condition. One-way condition. If you execute this one, what will happen? What is the output of this condition, Dilpreet?
So if A is bigger than B, then we'll get the
See,
output
observe the
as A
values.
is a big
A10,
number.
B20. Condition true or false?
False.
False. Then what is the output?
We won't get any output in this case.
Nothing. Yes, nothing. It bypassed the condition. Why? Condition false. Here no else part. One-way condition. This is one-way condition. See, try to run the program. See, no output for last, that condition block. If you write else, the same line you can open curly braces or you can take another line. Suppose B is a big number. B is a big number. Run the program. As per that input, A equal to 10, B equal to 20, it will show B is a big number. See, B is a big number. Suppose A value 100, then it will show A is a big number. A is a big number. Okay. Next, I want to print. Okay. One more conditional statement. Switch. Try to understand this one, Ritesh. I'm going to introduce the switch structure. Mamata, in VB script, select case structure is there now.
Yes, sir.
In VB script, we have if statement and select case statement also now in conditional statements. What is the purpose of
Yes,
select? What is the purpose of select case structure?
Sir, no idea, sir.
No idea. You have knowledge on QTP na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
But
cool. No issue. Say select case or switch case in Java, switch in Java, switch structure in Java. In VB script, Equivalent is select case structure. Purpose is decide among several alternates. It is equivalent to else if structure. See in this, observe the above if condition, if structure, only two alternates, true or false. If it is true, it will execute first part. If it is false, second part, else part. Suppose if you want to use several alternates, 4 alternates, 5 alternates, 100 alternates, for that you have to use either else if structure or switch structure. Okay, else if, nested if, that we will discuss in conditional statements in Java chapter. Now just a sample program. See switch. Before that, I'm declaring one variable. This time char, character type, char grade. See character type variable stores single alphabet only. Observe Ritesh, single quotes, single letter only. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
If you want to use multiple letters, that we have to use string type data. Actually, string is not data type. In Java, string is object. Anyhow, that we will discuss in string handling in Java chapter. Suppose I want to use, or I want to assign multiple letters or single word or multiple words. Suppose string my tool is string variable name equal to double quotes for strings. See, string series of characters enclosed with double quotes, semicolon. Observe Dilpreet. What is string? Series of characters enclosed with double quotes. Character, single character enclosed with single quote. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose here in string you can write multiple words also. Suppose selenium testing. Okay. Switch grade. As per this grade, it has to choose the case. Switch grade, open curly braces. Next, you can write multiple cases. Don't concentrate on this syntax. Single quote A, suppose A, single quote A, colon. This is the syntax for cases. For example, system dot out dot println of within double quotes. For example, excellent. If grade A, excellent. It is normal statement and with semicolon. Next, if it is case A, break means break the structure, break semicolon. Next, like this you can write multiple cases. Case B, case B, for example, good. Next, case C, for example, better. Next, default. Try to understand this one. Default, Virat. What is default? Other than above. We use else in if structure na. Here default means other than above. System dot out dot println of suppose invalid grade. Semicolon, close the structure. Observe Madhavi, what is the last output? Last is switch structure in this example. What is the last output? Just a minute. What is the last output?
Invalid grade, sir.
Invalid grade. What is the grade value?
Grade is A.
A. Is it invalid grade?
No.
What is the output, Suleiman?
Excellent.
Observe. Run the program. Last output. Excellent na? Suppose grade B. Good. Run the program. Errors. What is the error? Oh.
Sir, double time B.
Double time. Duplicate. Here I have to change. B.
A.
Good. Suppose observe Madhavi, grade Z. What is the expected output? Grade. You are thinking here three cases.
Invalid grade.
Invalid grade. Run the program. Invalid grade. Okay, it is working fine. Okay. Next, loop structure. I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. Dilpreet, guide me. Yesterday we used loop structure. I want to print just a minute. Here, what is the purpose of switch structure? Switch structure, decide among several alternates.
Only one.
Alternates.
Take one and leave it. Take one only.
Suleiman, you put mute. Some background voice coming. Put mute, Suleiman. Okay. Next, for loop. Guide me, Dilpreet. I want to print 1 to 10 numbers.
So for integer.
For
loop
just
bracket.
For open parenthesis int variable.
I.
Suppose I. Not only I, you can use XYZ also, but this is standard. I equal to
1
semicolon, not comma. Next,
I
less than or equal to
10 I plus plus.
Next, semicolon I plus plus. Open curly braces. Open curly braces. Next,
system dot out.
Okay. I. What is the functionality of this for loop? Repetitive execution. Repetitive execution. Just a minute. Repetitive execution. Next, last this one, for loop structure output 1 to 10 numbers. Run. Observe Virat, 1 to 10 numbers na after excellent grade. Why people are not responding?
Yes, sir.
Who is
Yes,
telling?
sir.
Okay, Suleiman. Venkat, did you understand this one? For loop.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, observe Dilpreet. We wrote condition structure. This is selected one condition structure. Next, loop structure. Say we can insert conditional statements within loops and vice versa. Suppose, observe my condition, Dilpreet. I want to display 1 to 10 numbers except 7, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. That is my desired output. Write the condition within the loop. Dilpreet.
Yes, sir.
I want to display 1 to 10 numbers except 7. Here condition required na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For
Write the condition within for loop. If
I
not equal to
7.
7, I not
Curly
equal to 7, one way condition, display. Try to run the program. Errors. Where is
Sir,
the
one
error?
close brace.
One curly brace is
Close
missing.
curly brace. One more required na. Run the program. Observe Venkat output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 na.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, same I want to display 1 to 10 numbers using while loop. Say you don't focus on syntax, anyhow that we will discuss in Java flow control chapter. Just I'm introducing while loop. I want to display 1 to 10 numbers using while loop. For while loop, initialization required. Suppose j equal to 1, data type. Int j equal to 1. Next, while, try to understand the syntax. While, here no ranges, just a condition.
J.
I want to display 1 to 10 numbers. J starting value 1. J less than or equal to, suppose I want to display 1 to 5 numbers. Observe Mamata. Display 1 to 5 numbers using while loop. J less than or equal to 5. Open curly braces. Next, display statement SYSO control space enter J. Next, increment required. Increment Dilpreet. Provide the increment.
J plus plus.
J plus plus. Semicolon. Observe the last structure output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, just a minute. First run the program. Observe Virat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na.
Yes, sir.
Virat, tell me the logic. Suppose using this while loop, I want to display 5 to 1 in reverse order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Initial value 5 na. 5 to 1. I want to display 5 to 1. Tell me, what is the logic? While j
Greater or equal?
greater than or equal to
5.
5,
1.
1, 1. Run the program. Oh, infinity. Just a minute.
J minus minus.
Minus, minus. Otherwise,
Decrement.
decrement. Just a minute. Decrement. I forgot that one. Observe. J minus minus. Run the program. Observe the last output, Virat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 na.
Yes, sir, got it.
Next, I want to display 1 to 6 numbers using do while loop. This time do while loop. For do loop also initialization required. Suppose int, suppose lm, m equal to 1, do some statements. For example, m, do, just a minute. Why it is showing error? Okay.
Sir, you did not open the curly braces.
Okay. Okay. I didn't provide the logic also. Okay. See, incomplete syntax. Now that's why it is showing incomplete syntax. That's why it is showing error. First, complete the syntax. Say system out.println m, next m plus plus semicolon. Complete the syntax. Next, close curly braces. Close curly braces. Where we need to open curly braces? After do. After do. After closing curly braces, provide the logic. While of means open bracket, m less than or equal to 6. M less than or equal to 6, semicolon. Observe Dilpreet, it will print 1 to 6 numbers. Run the program. Last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na. Now find the Suleiman, find the difference between while loop and do while loop. While loop, if condition is true, then it will execute. Do loop,
Yeah.
irrespective of the condition, at least it execute once. Observe.
One time.
Suppose m equal to 10. Observe, condition is true or false?
False.
Just a minute. Suppose 20. Condition is false. And then what is the output of this do structure? Do while loop structure. Output.
It will do for 1 only.
No. What is the output, Madhavi? Observe this selected structure.
It will print 20.
20, good. It will print 20. First do the statement, then check the condition. First it will print 20, then check the condition. Condition false, it will come out from the loop. Run the program.
Yeah.
Say last output 20, only 20. Okay na? Okay na? Dilpreet, any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Next I am introducing enhanced for loop. See, we have two conditional structures. One is if condition, another is switch structure. Next we have 4 loops in Java: for loop, while loop, do while loop, and enhanced for loop. Mamata, in VB script, for each next loop is there na?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes, sir.
each next loop. See, this enhanced for loop in Java is equivalent to for each next loop in VB script. Okay na?
Okay. Okay.
See, here I am taking one array, string type array. See, we have different types of arrays: integer array, string array, character type array, double type array, boolean type array, etc. Anyhow, that we will discuss in arrays chapter. Now just I am going to use string type array. String, square brackets, it is array syntax. Next, suppose tools. It is array name equal to open curly braces, Selenium, just a minute, Selenium UFT RFT silk test, close curly braces, 4 values, semicolon. Next, I want to find the length of this array. See, in Java, array is object. In VB script, array is variable only. Array variable, scalar variables and array variables in VB script. In Java, array is object. String is object. Except primitive data types, everything is object in Java. See, I'm going to finding this length of the array. Control enter, just a minute. Control space enter. Say tools dot observe Dilpreet. This tools is array. Array is object. It is providing available methods and it is showing available methods and properties on this object now.
Yes, sir.
See, I am selecting length. Length is property. Try to run the script. Run. Observe length. Last one. What is the length? 4 na? Dilpreet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 4.
4. Next, I want to print all elements of this array using enhanced for loop. Concentrate. All of you put mute. For declaration. Here, string type data na, you declare one string. Suppose XYZ colon, next array or expression. Here array is tools. It will store these tool values one by one into this XYZ string. Open curly braces. Next display. See, observe this one. String XYZ colon. This is declaration. This tools array. Display. System.out.println of Madhavi.
Yes, sir.
XYZ.
Sorry. Yeah.
Run the program. It will show one by one. Just a minute. What is that one? Last output. Selenium UFT RFT silk test. Run. Put mute. Observe Virat. Selenium UFT RFT silk test displaying now.
Yes, sir.
See, this is enhanced for loop. Okay. Say in this program I introduced if structure, switch structure, for loop, while loop, do while loop, next enhanced for loop. Okay, next methods, create methods. Where we define methods, Mamata, before main method or after main method?
Before main method, sir.
Before main method. Accessing methods,
Accessing methods within the main method. I mean by create.
Okay, within the main method we access, or you can say after main method. Before main method we define methods, user defined methods. After main method we access. You know how to access. Okay, before that
Yes.
create methods. Before main method. Observe Dilpreet, Supriya, observe. First I am creating create a method with parameters optional. Anyhow, that we will discuss in user defined methods chapter. That chapter takes nearly 2 hours. In that chapter you can get more clarity. I will provide more examples. Now just I'm using method in this program, sample program, creating a method with parameters and returning value, next access the method by invoking the object. Say, observe Dilpreet, we can access Java methods in 2 ways. One is by invoking the object, another is without object, without invoking any object. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Without object also we can access methods. Here main method, observe the main method. Main is method, it is predefined method. Here we are not using any object now.
Yes, sir.
This is static method. We have to use static non-access modifier for that. Okay, I will provide all flavors. See first one, public return type, suppose int, method name add, open and close curly braces. Within this parenthesis, parameters. See this method return type integer. So use integer parameters only. Observe Virat. If you use another type of parameters, error na. What is the method data type? Method data type. See data types not only for variables, not only for constants, for methods also. What is the method data type in this scenario? Saloni, what is the method data type in this scenario? Observe the selected one.
Add is the method type.
Add is a method. What is the method data type?
Integer.
Integer. So you have to use integer parameters only. Suppose int a comma int b. Open curly braces. Next I am taking one local variable. Say int result equal to a plus b. Next return statement. Return is keyword. Return result. It will return result. Semicolon. See this addition method. This add method for adding two numbers. Okay. Next, same. Create a method with no parameters and returns nothing, returns nothing, returns nothing. Just a minute. Returns nothing. Next, access the method by invoking the object. See public, return type nothing, void, public void. What is the suppose method name? Comparison. Comparison. No parameters. Parameters optional. Next. Suppose int a local variable. This is local variable. No duplicate variable. Comma b equal to 50. Next, see within methods you can use all Java fundamentals. You can insert conditional statements, loop statements. You can use operators, variables. All programming features you can use within the methods also. But method is subprogram. But we can use all programming concepts within the methods also. Suppose condition, if a greater than b, if a greater than b, a is a big number, a is a big number, else open curly braces, b is a big number, b is a big number. Okay. Observe Dilpreet, we created two methods now. First, create a method with parameters and returning value. Access the method by invoking the object. Second one, create a method with no parameters and returns nothing. Access the method by invoking the object. Next, without invoking the object, create static methods. Create static methods. See, this time, create a method. Create a method with parameters. Next, returning a value and access the method without object. See, this is static method. Okay. Observe. Suppose public static. Why we are using static non-access modifier, Dilpreet?
Yes, sir.
If you want to access method without invoking object, use static. Getting? For main method
Yes,
also
sir.
static keyword is there na?
Yes, sir.
Next, type. Suppose subtraction int a comma int b. Open curly braces. Next, int res result equal to a minus b. Next, return result. semicolon. What is the returning result? What is the return type? Nothing. That I will explain in methods chapter. Anyhow, that chapter takes nearly 2 hours. Only user defined methods. Built-in methods take nearly 1.5 hours. See, total we will allot 3 to 4 hours for discussing Java methods, built-in methods and user defined methods. Important. Why? These are reusable components. Reusable components. In our Selenium testing also, in our test automation using Selenium also, we try to use more reusable components in order to reduce the project code size. Okay. Next, one more method. See. Create a method with no parameters, without parameters. Next, returns nothing. Next, access the method without object. See, somebody is making noise, put mute. Whenever you want to ask question, ask me and again put mute. See, public static void. Void means return type nothing. Observe Madhavi. In the above method, we use int subna, means method data type
Yes,
is
sir.
integer. This time we are using void. Void. What is the functionality of void?
It's a method, sir.
Void is not method. It is keyword. Java keyword.
No return value.
What
No
are-
return value.
No return value. Void means returns nothing. Suppose comparison to, just a minute. Your code is there now. Just a minute. Suppose B 500. Okay. Observe Supriya. we defined 4 methods now. Try to understand these 4 methods. What is the first method? Create method with parameters and returning value. Access the method by invoking the object. Second method also by invoking the object but returns nothing. Third method without invoking object. Fourth method also without invoking object. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
How many methods? Observe. This is one method. Next 2. Next 3. Next 4. 4 methods. Next, Madhumati, I want to access first 2 methods by invoking the object. First 2 methods. In order to access methods, object required na for first 2 methods.
Yeah.
Create the object in this class. Create the object. Say,
Yeah.
create object. What is the
Class name.
syntax? Class name. What is the class
Object
name?
name.
Just a minute. Class name is sample program. Class name. Next,
Object name.
object name. Suppose obj. You can use any meaningful name, no issue. Obj
New.
equal to
New
keyword. Next,
sample program.
class name, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Next, access methods. First method add na. Say add return type integer. You take one integer variable int, suppose res equal to obj dot add. Next, provide parameters. Suppose 1, 2, 3. Next, 3, 2, 1. Semicolon. If you want to display, you can display. Res. Observe the last statement output. Last statement output Salome. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. What is the output?
444.
Okay. Run the program. It is showing 444 na.
Yes, sir.
You can directly display. See, instead of these two statements, you can compress the code. Instead of these, I want same output. You can compress the code. Can you guide me, Mamata? Instead of these two statements, write single statement.
Sir, could you please explain once more, sir, what you explained just now?
I am accessing method. Add method. Here we defined add method na. First method. Add method. Getting?
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of this add method? It adds two integers. You can use any data. Two integer. You can use any numbers. It adds two integers. Okay na? What is the
Yes.
method data type? Method data type is integer na.
Yeah.
So this method returns value na.
Yes.
Returning value is integer type. You need to take that value into integer variable na.
Yes. Sir.
So I am taking this integer variable. Next, method syntax. Object dot method of values for parameters. This is A value. This is B value. You can use 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 4 or 5, 3 or 2, 3, 4. Okay na?
Okay.
And I am displaying this one. Any confusion?
Got it.
Now, Supriya, instead of these two statements, see, we are getting correct output. Here, this method output is method returns 444. Run the program. It is returning 444 na.
Yes.
Now, I want to compress the code. Instead of two statements, single statement. Guide me. Yeah, say access the method and display the value without returning. Can you tell me, Virat? Venkat?
No idea, sir.
Venkat? I think Dilpreet can answer it. Dilpreet?
So system dot out dot
Yes,
println.
directly write print statement dot
So obj dot add.
obj dot add.
1,
Next,
2, 3,
here
3.
provide parameters A, B, two values. Suppose first value 1, 2, 3, second value 3, 2, 1. Direct. Run. Observe Supriya, 444 only na?
Yes, sir.
You can use first one or second one. Next, I want to access another method. What is that method? Comparison method. Comparison method, Madhavi. Access this comparison method. It returns nothing, but it will display some value. Why? Within this method, you can find a display statement. Say, this is not returning the value, just displaying the value. See, in first method, no display statement. Observe, only returning. I want to access this comparison method. Madhavi, access.
Yes, sir. I think I missed that one, sir.
OBJ. Can you continue, Madhumati? Madhumati. Mamata.
OBJ, it's OBJ dot comparison.
Good. OBJ dot comparison. No. Sorry. This is built in. OBJ dot comparison. No arguments. What is the last statement output, Mamata? Observe the method. Observe the method. Where is comparison?
Prints.
This one.
Yeah, it prints the statement. First statement, A is the big number.
A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Printing now.
Yes, sir.
Next, access static methods. Static methods. Suleiman. Without object. I want to access remaining two methods. What are the remaining two methods? What are the remaining two methods? One is sub method, subtraction. Another is
Subtraction, yes.
comparison to. See, these are static methods. We can access these methods without invoking any object. Access.
Okay. So we just put the name of the method, sub.
Just a minute. Access static methods. How to access? Have any idea, Dilpreet, how to access static methods without invoking object?
So will it not be accessed on its own,
Okay.
even if we are not calling it?
Using class name. Using class name. Say same. Int res2 equal to, what is the class name? Sample program dot sub. Suppose 200 comma 123. It will show 67 semicolon. Next, display this one. Res2. What is the last statement output, Virat? Last statement output.
So it will subtract from 200 to 123.
Run the program. 77. Okay, na?
Yep.
Virat, instead of these two statements, write single statement. Single statement.
We can have the same SYSO.
SYSO, control space, enter. Next, direct class name. Sample dot sample program.
Then dot
sub of a value 100.
200 and
Okay, 200. Just a minute. 200 comma
123.
Run the program. Observe the last statement output. 77 only, na?
Yes.
Next, one more method is there, na? Last one, that is also static method, but returns nothing. What is that one? Comparison to. Comparison to. Venkat, you access this method. This is static method, returns nothing. You know how to access static methods. Access that comparison to method.
So I think in that comparison, you write both A is a big number. or
Pardon?
something. You write both A is big number, so
A is big number. Then what is the problem?
you write both comparison. You write. So can you show the method? I will.
Just a minute.
There you write A is a big number and A is a big number.
Then what is the problem?
So anyway, it shows only A is a big number, right? So
Why?
system that order.
By comparison to B is a big number, na? Oh,
Yeah, but you
okay, good. I forgot that one. B is a big number. Message problem. Okay. Okay, good. See, cosmetic defect. Okay. A, B. Next, access that one. Suleiman, access that static method. Comparison to
System that out print line.
not required. You can directly see.
Oh, okay.
Sample program dot comparison to enough.
Yeah.
Run the program. B is a big number. See, comparison 1, A is a big number. Comparison 2, B is a big number. Observe, Suleiman, here we are not writing any display statement. Why?
Okay,
In the
because
method,
it's already the method.
Method itself having display statement, na?
Yeah.
But above method, what is that above method? Sub method not having display statement inside, only returning the value. That's why we are taking that value into variable and displaying. Otherwise, direct display. See, we are using system out.print line. But for this method, last method, comparison to display statement also available in that method. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now Dilpreet, observe. See, in this program, I've introduced maximum Java fundamentals. We used variables. Next, array variable. Array is object in this Java. In VB script, array is variable. See, in this program, we used variables. Next, array, string, condition statement, if statement, switch structure, for loop, while loop, do while loop, enhanced for loop. Next, methods, 2 flavors of methods. Method by invoking object without invoking any object. Static methods. Next, method with returning value, method without returning any value. Next, method using parameters, next without parameters. See, I introduced maximum Java fundamentals in this sample program. Any queries, Dilpreet? Try to observe this one. Any queries? It is executing. Run the program. It is providing all outputs. No error.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Saloni?
Yes, sir.
See, you no need to worry about this program. Just I am providing a comprehensive program. Anyhow, we will discuss each and every concept in detailed manner in future chapters. No problem. Just this one. Madhavi, any queries regarding this program? It is executing fine. Any queries?
No, sir. I think I need to practice.
Okay, you practice. Yeah. If you find any errors, then mail me. Just a minute.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Venkat.
No queries, sir. Okay. I need to practice, then I will let you know.
You practice. Say, okay. Come